Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw crypto via wire transfer with Bank of America. Complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw crypto via wire transfer with Bank of America, start by logging into your cryptocurrency exchange account. Navigate to the section where your assets or balances are displayed. Identify the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Select the option to withdraw or send that cryptocurrency. You will need to enter the amount you want to withdraw. Next, locate the option for a wire transfer. For wire transfers, you will need to provide your Bank of America account details. Log into your Bank of America account in a separate tab. Find your account number and the routing number for wire transfers. Return to your cryptocurrency exchange and enter the Bank of America account details. Review any fees associated with the wire transfer. Confirm that all information entered is accurate to avoid any errors. Submit the withdrawal request on the cryptocurrency exchange. Monitor your email for confirmation regarding your withdrawal. Once confirmed, check your Bank of America account for the incoming funds. Keep in mind that wire transfers may take several business days to process. Finally, ensure that your funds are correctly reflected in your Bank of America account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.